Why study philosophy? Socrates, who lived in Athens almost 2,500 years ago, was accused of two things, for which he was condemned to die of poisoning. First, corrupting the minds of the youth, and, second, not showing enough reverence for the gods. Even today, these can be very serious accusations. As we see in Plato's Apology, Socrates defends himself unsuccessfully against these accusations. Consequently found guilty, he was given a choice between death on the one hand, and a life in exile on the other. The unexamined life is not worth living, he said just before being condemned to death. He would have rather died than go into exile holding his tongue, spending the rest of his days unable to question the world. A life worth living is one spent in wonder, pondering, reflecting, challenging our own and other people's beliefs, seeking answers to big questions. How should we live? How should we act? What is justice? What is beauty? Is God real? Is human existence meaningful? These, and others, are some of the most fundamental questions of philosophy. We live in a hyper-connected, hyper-stimulated world of 5-second adverts, scrolling news feeds, 500-channel IPTVs and constantly buzzing smartphones. Perhaps, never as much as today, have we been at risk of merely living a half-life. There is no better, or, indeed, a more useful time to learn how to stop and smell the flowers. Philosophy may be just what we need to stop, smell, and examine life itself. For more videos about philosophy, visit our channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.